to the second video of the FL Studio Producer series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to correctly record vocals in FL Studio. So the first thing that we need to take care of is go to File, New from Template, and then Empty. What this will do is, as I explained in the last video, it will open up a new fresh file without any additional sounds and so on. The second thing is that we need to go to Options and then to Audio Settings, and this is where we'll be choosing the correct audio interface or the audio device that we'll be getting our sound from. Now, the most important thing when doing this is that you don't use these devices that are up here. I have quite a few connected, but the right ones are down here below. This is because these are the audio devices and will be used to record any vocals, or these just allow you to input the actual sound to record into FL Studio, while these don't. These are just to present you the sound and just output the sound that you are making in FL Studio. So for me, the right one is the Focusrite USB audio. I'll choose this, close this, and this is it for now. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is go to my beats folder, choose a beat and drag it in. So as you can see, the beat is 97 BPM, so I'll go ahead to this BPM section right here and drag it to 97. As I chose the audio device, which is the Focus USB audio for me, only I'm going to hear the sound coming from FL Studio, while my screen recorder won't, so the sound that is coming from FL Studio won't be available for you right now, but I'm going to show you everything afterwards. To record, you need to go to the mixer channel, choose the insert that you'll be using. I'm going to record on insert 1 and choose the correct input right here. So as you can see, I have a pretty big interface, so I have a lot of inputs for recording, but I have my mic plugged in on input 1, so I'm going to choose this, click yes, and as you can see, immediately FL Studio switched to recording mode right here, and I can just start recording anytime I want. To record in the playlist, you need to click right here on the record button, and in FL Studio you have quite some options for recording. We'll be using the first and the second one. The first one I'll be showing you a bit later. Let's focus on the second one right now. So audio into the playlist as an audio clip. This is what you'll probably be doing the most time, and what we're going to do right now. So let me click this. As soon as I click this, a timer will start right here with the metronome, and I'll be able to record everything. So the audio will be recording into the playlist. So in the first free track, which is the second one right here, and you'll be able to see that the audio clip is being recorded right here. So let me do that. The timer just started, and now everything that is being said and recorded is being recorded to the audio playlist, as you can see right here. I'm not a rapper, I'm just a producer, so I won't be able to rap right now, but everything that I'm going to say is test 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to switch back to the direct sound device, which is Hackerz Focus USB audio, and now you'll be able to hear everything that I recorded in here too. Recorded is being recorded to the audio playlist. As you can see, it worked. Everything is recorded right here, and you can do this for the whole trap if you're a singer, if you're a rapper, or if you want to record anything else. So the second option that we can do to record is the first option, audio into the Edison audio editor / recorder. So this will open up Edison, which is basically a plugin for recording any input such as instruments or a microphone and vocals. And let me choose this right here. I need to switch to the SEO device, which I'll do right now. So as soon as I switched, it immediately went back to the mic 1 and to the recording mode on input or insert one. I can do the Edison thing right now. And here we go. This is basically the same, just that it isn't recording in the playlist, but it's recording in Edison. I'm going to switch back. Now I can hear the sound coming from here. And I can just click this button right here on the top right, drag it in, and I have the audio file the same as this one in the beginning, and I have everything recorded and ready to go.